In this video, you will learn how to generate AI-powered document summaries in Python using the Extract Summary API from the Cloudmersive Document AI library. We'll begin by navigating to the Document AI Swagger page from the Cloudmersive website. Here, we'll find documentation and code examples for all the Document AI API's methods. The Extract Summary method is found under the Extract path. When we open this drop-down window, we'll find a description of what this API does. That tells us this API uses AI to generate a one-paragraph summary of any input document, and it works with a variety of common document formats including PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, EML, MSG, JPEG, PNG, and WebP. We can customize our request with two optional parameters, a recognition mode which trades off speed versus accuracy, and a language setting, which controls what language the summary is written in. The API supports dozens of languages via 3-letter ISO 639 language codes. Without further ado, we'll now demonstrate a quick implementation of the Document Summarization API in Google Colab using the Python code examples provided in this window. First, we'll click on the Install SDK dropdown, copy the pip command we find here, and then run that command in our environment. While the SDK installs, we'll head back to the Swagger page, copy the remaining code examples, which include the imports we need right at the top, and paste them into our environment too. We don't really need the print function or time imports at the top, so we can get rid of those now if we want to. We'll now make a few changes to this code before generating our summary, and we'll start with our configuration snippet. I have my Cloudmersive API key saved in Colab, so I'll import that now and paste in the code examples which set my API key at runtime. After that, I'll add one quick line to manually set the configuration host to api.cloudmersive.com, which is the default host for free tier subscriptions like mine. We'll now configure our 3 request parameters. The recognition mode and language fields are optional, so if we're happy with advanced recognition mode and English output, we can simply leave those as empty strings and the API will use its defaults. The input file parameter wants our file path as a string, so we'll upload a document to our local path and hardcode the file name in. For this example, I'm using a marketing analytics report, but this will work with any type of file in any of the supported file formats. And that's literally all there is to it. We can now run our code exactly as it is and get back an AI-generated summary. We now have a clean one-paragraph summary pulled directly from our document. This API really excels at distilling the most relevant information from an input document into a short, readable summary, the same way a human reader would. It's extremely useful for anyone interacting with that document downstream, whether it ends up in an email, a document management system, or really anywhere else we can think of. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about implementing Document AI APIs after following along with this video, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our team.